Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use the Remitly Referral program and earn rewards. The process is simple and starts inside your Remitly account. Once you log in, look for the Referral or Invite Friends section, usually found in your profile or menu. There, you'll see a unique referral link or code that belongs only to you. Share this link with friends, family, or anyone who might need Remitly to send money abroad. When the person you referred signs up using your link and completes their first qualifying transfer, both of you will receive a reward, usually in the form of credits or discounts. The specific reward and transfer amount required may vary, depending on your country and current promotions, so always check the referral terms shown in your app. Keep in mind that there's often no limit on how many people you can invite, so the more you share, the more rewards you can stack up. And that's how you take advantage of Remitly's referral program. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.